Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs, and this is their Watermelon Splash Bath Bomb. I got this from my June subscription box, and I was thinking it was a new bath bomb, but I'm actually wrong about that. They had this last year, but it was just a regular ball, and this year they made it into like a watermelon slice. So it looks a little bit different, but it's not a new bath bomb. They've had this one before. And it did smell pretty good. Originally, I thought it kind of smelled like strawberries and champagne mixed with like watermelon. So I think it smells good. But it wasn't very fun to watch. There was no fizzing. It literally just sat there and just very slowly dissolved. And I mean slowly dissolved. It took forever. I kept checking on it, and you could see the container sticking out a couple different times, but it wouldn't come out at all. And with this bath bomb, there are 3 different rings that you can get. They're 18 karat gold plated rings, and you can either get a pineapple, a flamingo, or a palm tree. So I didn't know that either because I didn't read about it because I got it in the subscription box. So I was a little confused when I first got the ring out of there, because they don't have any kind of stones or anything in them. They're just really plain rings, which you'll see here in just a second. But I could tell that there was a lot of oil in the water from the bath bomb, and I do like that. I like that they're moisturizing. And here is the ring that I got. I got the mini palm tree. So yeah, it's just solid gold color, no stones, nothing, really thin band. It almost looks like a ring for a kid, is what I kind of thought. So not that much of a fan of it. I did get 100 pearl points for it. They don't ever tell you how much your ring actually appraises for. You just get reward points for it. So that's what I got. And I have a few more items from them to do ring reveals on. So stay tuned in case you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.